Prior to bandaging, the patient should have a full holistic assessment. Please refer to your local guidelines. Bandage the fingers using Molalast 4 cm conforming bandage. Further information can be found on our website. Assess the shape of the arm. Use sufficient Flexiban or Salona padding over the arm with a 50% overlap to ensure vulnerable areas are protected and to reshape if necessary to provide a graduated shape. Cut off excess padding approximately 1 cm from the axilla. Bandage the hand with 4 or 6 cm Actico, depending on the hand size. Begin by anchoring the bandage with 2 turns without tension at the wrist. Complete bandaging the hand using even tension whilst ensuring even coverage. Cut off the excess bandage just above the wrist and ensure that the layers are bonded using a gentle pressure. Continue to bandage the arm with a 2 cm overlap using an 8 or 10 cm Actico bandage at full stretch, depending on the size of the arm. Continue with the lock and roll method using a 50% overlap at full stretch. Ensure that the elbow has slight flexion. Depending on your assessment of the limb size, it may be necessary to use a wider bandage for above the elbow. Continue the lock and roll method up the arm and finish 1 cm below the padding layer. Please note, 1 layer of Actico is sufficient to provide support and palliation. 2 layers of Actico will allow for greater oedema reduction. Apply a second layer of Actico, either 8 or 10 cm, in the opposite direction. This will ensure that the layers bond together. Anchor with a single turn at the wrist. On the second turn, use the lock and roll method, 50% overlap at full stretch. Continue the lock and roll method up the arm as before. Again, depending on your initial assessment of the limb size, it may be necessary to use a wider bandage just above the elbow. Cut off the excess bandage and ensure that the layers are bonded together. Actico is part of Activa's range of compression therapy products, and Activa are happy to provide further information and training as part of our ongoing commitment to our customers. Further information is available on our website.